Stop, don't say, Happy Eid Mubarak. If you say this, you sound wrong. Every Eid, people make the same mistakes. They think it's correct. But to native speakers, it sounds strange.
And the problem is, when you say this to a native speaker, it sounds strange. Sometimes, confusing, and honestly, a little embarrassing. You don't want to be that person on Eid, right? So, let's fix this before Eid. Don't say, Happy Eid Mubarak. Mubarak already means blessed, so you're repeating it. This one, native speakers will be like, what does that mean? Lebaran is Indonesian, foreigners may not understand. This one, almost everyone says it wrong. This doesn't exist in English. It sounds confusing. Don't mix languages. Fasting is finished. This is Eid. You can also say, so remember, small mistakes can make your English sound unnatural. Save this video before Eid, and send it to your friends. Follow for more simple English.